for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here. So guys, we are starting with GainX 1200 and we are on 15 minutes time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend Muka indicator to do my analysis right from here. This has been on uptrend right from here, and of course broke out from this resistance zone, and it's at a new resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. If it does not, then it will switch back into a downtrend. But at the moment, it is still buying. Okay, so let's see that. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the next resistance zone. Okay, next asset is going to be GainX 999. For GainX 999, it had been on downtrend, even though there are major pullbacks in between. It got to this support zone, tried to go back on uptrend, but didn't go too far before coming back down. Okay, so it is selling at the moment. It is selling at the moment and maybe targeting this particular support region, this particular one. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. Next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is PayNext 1200. This started a downtrend right from this resistance zone and so till it got to this region, but it was unable to go further than this. So it switched back into an uptrend and buying at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, the next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. So this is PayNext 999. This actually started an uptrend right from here and it has been buying since then. So it has got into this resistance zone. Okay, it was unable to break out from there at first, had a pullback, and it's trying it out again. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying, but if it does not, then we are most likely to get a switch into a downtrend right from there. Okay, but for now, it is still buying until it is unable to break out from there. Okay, the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is FX volume 80, and of course, just where we are seeing this, this has been on downtrend for a while, but got to this support region, was unable to break up from there, so it switched back into an uptrend, and it has been buying since then. Okay, however, we need to take note of this, guys. If you should notice, whenever it is getting to this region, I mean the support, I mean resistance trend line, it's always pull back, but this time around it's most likely it breaks out above it, and if it breaks out above it, definitely it's going to buy more, and we should expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, so this is also more of a buying opportunity at the moment. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. Okay, and of course, if you love the content, I mean, if you are joining me live and direct, make sure you do the right thing whenever you are trading. Okay, but if you are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, can you subscribe to this channel right away? Thank you.